Once you've cleaned and sanitized your machine, it's now time to assemble your Vollrath Refrigerated Beverage dispenser. To assemble, start by making sure the machine is unplugged. If you have a fountain or agitator model, lubricate the washer on the underside of the impeller with food-grade lubricant. Next, attach the gasket with the wide rim facing down. For fountain and agitator models, also install the impeller. With the gasket in place, attach the bowl by placing it on top of the gasket. You'll hear a clicking noise once it's in place. For stir and fountain models, insert the beverage circulating components. Slide the washer onto the spigot. Be sure the flanges are on the outside of the washer when it's installed. Attach the dispensing handle. To do this, slide the spigot into position while pressing the handle. Slide the drip tray into the base unit until you hear a click. Last, place the cover on the bowl and the machine is fully assembled. That's how to assemble the Vollrath Refrigerated Beverage Dispenser. Learn more at vollrathfoodservice.com/coldbeverage.